Are you running a logistic and freight business and looking for a content writer or copywriter for your Google advertisement, ad copies, description, and catchy headlines? So after watching this video, you don't need to hire anyone, and especially for the content writing things. But if you're looking for a services related to Google advertisement, managing the campaign, leads, and all of these things, so you can get in touch with me. You can find out the contact details and the portfolio as well in the description below. So you can reach out to me and we will discuss the project. So let's get to the system and we'll see how we can generate a couple of content and anything related to blog posts or ad copies or anything related to content. So let's get started. Alright, so we are in a system now, and now we will see how we can generate a content especially for the advertisement copies. And in the upcoming video, you will see also the videos related to how you can generate a blog post content especially for the local advertisement websites, okay, businesses. So like we will here, like we are right now ChatGPT, and in the another tab I've also opened a playground feature which we'll discuss in another video, like how you can generate a catchy tagline especially for your social media content. It will help you really a lot. Okay, so we are in a ChatGPT now, and we'll type here generate catchy headlines and highly converting ad copy description, at least because we don't need anything, only one. At least provide us 3 to 5 variations so we can choose from these variations. Okay, so 3 to 5 options for Google ads for we'll tell him the business logistics and freight services. So we are providing actually logistic and freight services, or if you are going for any other business, so definitely you can just type out the your business name. Okay, so like we get the really interesting headlines or catchy taglines. So you can also tweak the commands so you get the relevant data. So right now we only get the tagline, but please share the highly converting ad copy descriptions as well. So like now we command him to provide the description also like the ad copy. And if you want to be specific within a words, for example 200 100 words, 50 words, so you just type the 50 words limit. So definitely the tool won't go or increase the limit from that kind of command. Okay, so now we are getting an amazing kind of content. See like how easy it is to get the content related to anything, because you don't need to hire anyone, you don't need to pay any other tool, any free like the other tools, which they are a lot of tools, but they are really charging you a good amount of money. So like see you how it is easy to get the content for your advertisement copy, for your Google advertisement, for your social media, for your blog post or anything related to it. So if you really like this video, please do like and comment. In the comment section you will also get to connect with me. And if you're looking for the services, Google advertisement services, if you're going for Google advertisement and looking for someone who will help you or assist you in maintaining the campaigns, leads, and all of these things, so you can reach out to me. Get the details below in the description. You also get the portfolio as well. So we'll be discuss the project in the end. And thank you so much for watching this video, and till then, take care. Bye bye.